Students, now we are going to see the chapter 1 part 11. Okay, in before session we have learned that is in chapter 1 part 10 we have learned exercise 1.1 fully. Yes, so in that what we have learned how we have to give the numbers. Okay, how we have to give the numbers for number how we have to give the number name for numbers both in Indian and international system. Then how we have to put commas we have learned. Then we have learned what is meant by largest 6-digit number or 5-digit number, what is meant by that, and what is meant by largest smallest numbers. So by the way we have learned many things. So in that session, based on that session means the main thing is what we have to keep it in mind is we have to keep it the place value first in mind. Yes, the place value, if you know the place value fully means that's all, you are the brilliant student in exercise 1.1, that is in chapter 1 numbers. Okay, you can be very brilliant if you know the place value correctly for Indian and international system, and how you have to put commas for Indian and international system. If you know that correctly means that's all, you're the best. Okay, we can say like that. Okay, now here what we are going to see is, now here we are going to see the examples of that exercise. Okay, in before that, just open your book. In before that exercise 1.1 there will be some examples. So what is meant by example? இப்போ இந்த சம்மை பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் எக்ஸசைஸில் சம்ஸ் வந்திருக்கும் இல்லையா? So that is meant by example. Based on this sum, the exercise sums will be given. But why we are doing secondly as example sums means, see, if you know the exercise sums, say நீங்கள் example sums பார்த்துட்டிங்கன்னா exercise sum கொஞ்சம் டிஃபராக இருந்தால் கூட உங்களால் போட முடியாது. மேம் சொன்னாங்களே எக்ஸசைஸ் சம் மாதிரி எக்ஸாம்பிள் சம் மாதிரியே தான் எக்ஸசைஸ் இருக்கும். நோ, நாட் அட் ஆல். ஸோ யூ ஷுட் நாட் டூ லைக் தட். So if you do your exercise sums, after that you have to start your example sums. Why means, if you open your example sums, just write the question, close your book, and you by yourself can answer the example sums. It will be very simple for you to do it. You don't want to see the book even. Can you understand? So likewise here also we are going to do. So just while seeing the question itself, your answer should be fly over from your mouth and from your hands. Clear? So now the exercise example 1.1, you can see now what you did in your introduction, in try these, in exercise sums, all that will be combined and given as a conclusion here. What is my conclusion? A result, like to check your knowledge. Okay, now can we check? Okay, now what is your first question given? That is example 1.1, that is how many thousands are there in 1 lakh. So I already told you in before sums and all how we have to keep it in real life, how we have to combine this question in real life. So in before stage, that is in leave this year and on 2 years before, you just I think there is a changes in rupees note. Yes, so the 1000 rupees notes are all been given for the government, and we got all as 100 rupees and 500 rupees note. Yes, now the 1000 rupees notes also not in progress. இல்லையா? 1000 rupees amount price note இருக்குங்களா? கிடையாது. So why? Due to some problems in based on the government, they changed that rule. So you just keep it in your mind, your father is going to pay 1 lakh as 1000 rupees note. உங்கள் அப்பா வந்து 1 lakh rupeesக்கு எவ்வளோ அமௌண்ட் பே பண்ண போகிறார்? சாரி, என்ன ருபீஸ் நோட் பே பண்ண போகிறார்? 1000 rupee நோட் பே பண்ண போகிறாரு. You just keep it in mind like this. So how you will find it? Now first we have to write this. So now 1000 means 1000. So for 1000, how will you write here? It is 1000. So for 1000 it is 30. So I have written it. Next they have given 1 lakh. So 1 lakh. So 1 lakh equal to what? How will you write it as 1 lakh? 1 lakh means how many zeros? 5 zeros. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just put commas here. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, comma. Okay, how will you find it? You already know that what we have to do. We have to divide the values. Yes, we have to divide it. Yes, we have to divide it. So first what we have to write, the biggest number upside. So 1 2 1 2 3 divided by the smallest number, that is the 1000. Yes, can you understand, ma? Can you understand it clearly? Okay, now we have to, sorry, 1000. So we have to cancel the answer. So 0 0 0 0 0 0. The one where it is remains means we can keep it, leave it as it is, and we can see the upside what is remaining. We have to take it and write it. Now how many? It is 100. So 100 thousands. So your father should pay 100 notes for 1 lakh rupees as 1000 rupees note. Can you understand? Okay, can you understand the question and can you understand the answer, how we have to do it? Okay, the next. Okay, now next example, that is example 1.2. Read and expand the following. They have given a number. Yes, so just take that number and write it. So 5 0 0 0 0. Now put the first we have to put commas now. So Amy. So now we have to put commas 1 2 3 comma 1 2. Okay, now here what we have to do is we have to write the place value here. So place value means here ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000. That's all. So what is the name? What is the name given here? That is just you have to split the values, right? So while splitting the value, what is name? 50 means 50. So 50,000. Yes. So overall what is the name? That is 50,000. So now we have to expand it and then we have to write the number name. So while expanding, first we have to take the first digit. So first digit is there. Then what is the place value we have to check. So while checking the place value, that is 10,000. So 10,000 means how many zeros should be there? It should be 4 zeros. So 1 2 3 4. So then we have to put the symbol as plus, then the 0. So for 0 we should not give any place value. We can just write it as 0. So next one is also 0 0, plus here also 0, here also 0. Now we already know that what is the name of this number. That is here 50. It comes under 1000. So it is 50,000. Can you understand? So can you understand how we have to do this sum? Read and expand the number. Okay. So read the number 50,000. Next we are expanding. Okay. This is your choice. You can read. First you can expand or read or expand. That is your choice. You can do it by yourself also. Then the second question, that is read and expand the number 676097. Okay, they have given like this. So what is the first rule? We have to take that number and we have to write it. So 676097. The next step is we have to put commas. So 1 2 3 comma 1 2 comma. Okay, then what we have to do? We have to write the place value chart. So place value chart here is ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, next what we have to do? Expand the form. See, if you know to do means you can do it by yourself. Okay, do it, ma. You have to take your rough note or your file work, whatever it is, you have to do it by yourself. We are doing more than 20 sums based on the same method. Yes, so you should be get practiced more and more. Okay, now the first digit, that is 6. So it comes under lakh. So for lakh, how many zeros will be there? There will be 5 zeros. So we have to put 5 zeros here. 1 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, next we have to put the symbol as addition. Then we are going to take next digit, that is 7. So 7 comes under 10,000. So for 10,000, how many zeros will be there? 4 zeros will be there. So we have to write how many zeros? 4 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have to write the operation, that is addition operation. Then I am going to take the next digit, that is 6 here. Then that comes under 1000. So for 1000, 3 zeros will be there. So 1, 2, 3. Next plus, the next digit is 0. So we can simply write it as 0. That's all. We are not going to give any place value there. Then plus 9 here, next digit is 9, so write it as 9. Next it comes under tens place. So tens place means we have to write the 0 as 1. So for 10 it is only 1 0. Next the remaining ones here, that is 7. Clear ma? Okay, then what we have to do? We have to read the number. So we will read it. So here first you have to see this number, that is 6 comes under lakh. So what? 6 lakh. So 6 lakh. Then then here 76. So 76 comes under 1000. So 76,000. Yes. Then here just to see this 3 number, that is 0 lifted, and then 97, just 97, just 97. Okay, so now read the number 6,76,097. 6,76,097. Okay, can you understand? Are you clear how to expand the form and how to give the number name? Yes. Next example 1.3. Okay, now example 1.3. The distance between the sun and the earth is about 9290000 miles. Read and write the number in Indian and in international by using commas. So what we have to do? We have to take that miles number கொடுத்துருக்காங்களே அந்த நம்பரை எடுத்துக்கிட்டு we have to write in Indian system and also in international system. So now we are going to first write it in Indian system. Indian. Okay. So Indian system means what we have to do here. So Indian system means first we have to take that number and write it. So 9290000. So next is we have to put commas. That is for Indian system we have to put like this 1 2 3 comma 1 2 comma 1 2 comma. Then next step is we have to write the place value. So place value ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Now next is what we have to write the number name. So how we can write it? So 9 there upside crore. So 9 crore. So 9 crore. Then next is 29. So 29 comes under lakh. So 29 what? Lakh. Then here and all 000. What we have to do? Just leave it. That's all. So if there is 0 means you can just stop that. Okay, so 9 crore 29 lakh. Okay, 9 crore 29 lakh or there. Clear? So it is in Indian system. So as well as we are going to do it in international system. So international system, start writing Now another time I am going to take that number and write it here. sorry. Now here we are going to put commas based on the international system, that is 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 comma 1 2. Okay, now here what we have to do, we have to write the place value here also. So place value means ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Next, million, 10 million. Yes, so after 1,000 in international system, what will come? Million. Yes. Okay, now how we have to write the name. First, this comma before comma, that is simply read the number 92. So while reading the number, it is 92. So 92 million, 92 million. Next, this one 900, just it is 900, so 900,000, that is 900,000. That's all, you can just leave it. Clear? That's all. You should not take the zeros, and we cannot write the name even. Yes, while it is 0, can we write the name? No, we cannot. So just read it, 92,900,000. See, there is more difference between Indian and international system. Yes. So the place value even it is changed. So you have to mug up, or you have to keep memorized by using other things. It is very important. Okay, now we can read in Indian system. So in Indian system, the name is 9 crore 29 lakh. In international system, 92,900,000. Okay, 900,000. Okay, students, your examples that is based on your exercise 1.1 has been completed. So after that, we are going to see exercise number 1.2. Exercise number 1.2 we are going to see here. So before that, I need to introduce I need to review the before sessions and all. So in exercise 1.2, what and all what and all we are going to see is, that is a difference between the two numbers while comparing the numbers, then ascending and descending order, the largest and smallest number. So likewise we are going to see in this session. Okay, in exercise 1.2 we are going to start from that. Okay, while compare the following. Okay, the fill in the blank. So how will you do it? So first thing is, what we have to do, we have to place, I am going to say the rules. The first rule is we have to write the place value chart. While after finishing that, we have to take the both the numbers and submit in that place value chart. So next of submission, we have to check, yes, by using the place value comparison. So if you check by using the place value comparison, which one is biggest and which one is smallest, we can find it out, and by that we have to give the comparison result. Okay, you already know that you have to do more and more homeworks based on the sums, and more example sums also you have did. So apart from this is exercise sum, so we must do it. Okay, we must do this sums also, ma. Okay, now now it is first sum exercise 1.2. Fill in the blanks with greater or smaller or equal to, that is greater than, smaller than, or equal to. Okay, now as usual I said before, the first step is we have to write the place value chart. Yes, so place value chart means here ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Okay, now the next step is we have to take that first number and submit it here. So first number from right side, we have to write it from right side. So here 2, 6, 7, 8, 4. Now this one also from this side we are going to submit, that is here 2, 7, 9, 8, 4. Okay, now the first step, the next step is we have to compare the place value. So while comparing the place value of two numbers, both are same, that is both are in 10,000. Okay, leave it. Next step, next we have to see the first two digits of the number. So while seeing the first two while seeing the first two digit of the number, both are same. So 4 4. Next digit, that is 8 8. Okay, next is digit, that is 7. Here 9. So these two differs. 7 and 9 differs. So which one is biggest, that is 7 or 9? Which one, while comparing to 7 and 9, which one is biggest, we have to see. So while seeing that 9 is the biggest number, so where comes 9? It comes in the second, it is first, it comes in the second number, that is this side. So our answer comes is, this is the biggest answer. Sorry, this is the biggest number. So likewise we can answer it easily. Yes, you already know, you already know this. This is not a new thing what I am teaching now. This is already you have learned. Now I am recalling all those things based on the with the help of the exercise 1.2. Okay, the next sum, second sum, as usual, the first thing is we have to write the place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So here also we have to start it from this side. This is one first number. So here it is 4 5 6 8 4 2 1. This side 4 5 8 6 4 2 1. Okay, now we have to compare the place value. So while comparing the place value, both the numbers are in 10 lakhs, so it is equal. Leave it. Next, what we have to do, next we have to move to the first, so it is second one, right? Okay, now we are going to move to the second step, that is we have to see the first digit of the two numbers. So while seeing first digit of two numbers, so here 1 1, same. Next 2 2, same. Next 4 4, same. Next 8 6. So here 8, here it is 6, so it differs. Yeah. So 8 there, 6 here. So which one is greatest? 8 is the greatest number. So 8 comes under first number, that the first number is here. So our answer will be facing like this. So can you understand easily? Yes, ma. So can you understand, ma? Very easy format and very easy thing for you to find it out. Surely these types of sums will come in your competitive exams. Keep it in mind. If you go for any quiz competition also, it will appear. So keep it in mind and study. Okay. Excuse me. Next, the next third sum, the same thing. Now we are going to write the place value chart. So here ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, now next we are going to write this first one first. So ones is 4 9 7 8 5 6. Then the next second number second number also as it is here, from 4 9 7 8 5 6. So okay, that is completed. Next step is we have to see the place value chart. So both the place values are equal, that is both are in lakh. Okay, next, if both are in lakh means we have to jump to the next step, that is we have to see the first digits of the two numbers. So while seeing it, here 6, here 6, same. Next here 5 5, same. Here 8 8, same. 7 7, same. 9 9, same. 4 4, same. So all the things what I have given are same. So both the numbers are same means then our answer should be equal to this number, both the numbers are same. Okay, can you understand, students, how we did? Okay, now in this session we have completed that example sums based on exercise 1.1. So in that what we have seen is how we have to read and expand the number name. And if they asked you to give 1,000 rupees note for 1 lakh, how many thousand rupees note we have to give it, like that we have learned. And if they gave you a large number, how we have to expand it. Yes, they have given miles numbers, so by that, by giving that, how we have to expand the form and how we have to give the number name in Indian and international system also we have learned. Then apart from that, we have seen exercise 1.2, that is first some fill in the blanks. So in fill in the blanks already we have learned that compare the numbers in larger thing. Yes, if they have given a larger number, so in larger number what we have to do is, first we have to put the place value chart, and after that we have to take the two numbers and you have to submit in the chart. Then you have to compare the place value. After comparing the place value, if the place value what they have given both that are same, means next step, that is you have to move to the first digit of two number. So then the first digit of two number is also verified, means then we have to move for the second digit. So when the difference is taken place, means on that place we have to compare the values. So which one is biggest and which one is smallest, we have to compare the values on that um step. Okay, now we have to do more and more example based on this, kids. So do it, don't be lazy. You are in home only, be safe, do all the sums what we have given. Please study side by side, you do your notes, complete your fair work also. Okay, keep your book side by side and learn, and you yourself keep a small test. Okay, like that you have to improve your knowledge. Okay. Okay, thank you, students, be safe. In next session we can continue from exercise 1.2. Okay, thank you.